Okay, so as you can see behind me, we've got some well-fitted LED light strips, and then it just kind of falls down. Well, that has everything to do with the fact that this van is upholstered, and this LED light strip is adhesive backed. It just doesn't hold to the upholstery well.
Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No ties, no change, just the rolling clouds. Freedom tastes real sweet when you're nothing to give. Living in a van down by the river's where I live. Where I live.
Amazon. And I got these clips that attach with number 4 wood screws. Good design. However, the wood backer behind the fabric is tempered hardboard in this thing. It's, I'm not going to be able to screw directly into it. I'm going to have to pre-drill a pilot hole. So, my tools for this project are my cordless drill, number 1 screwdriver bit that came from my Harbor Freight bit kit, and I don't remember what size screw or drill bit that is. 5/32. 5/32 drill bit. So what we're going to do on these strips, you probably can't see it, but I'll show you a close-up later. There's these terminals every, I'd say about 4 inches, and I'm going every other terminal, and we'll line up my clip with the terminal, put my drill bit there, except I need my drill bit and my drill. So we take like that, okay? Back to the drill. The number 4 by 1/2 screws from the kit. This is pretty much a lather, rinse, and repeat setup. So, just line up the screw with the hole I just drilled. There we go. And then we slide the strip in like that. You heard it click in. That's not going anywhere. So we're just going to repeat this process throughout the rest of the van. And that will have us installed. I'll show you the finished result in a few minutes. It's a little dark in here. I think I want to turn some lights on. Yes, I got the LED light strips set up. And yeah, lacking a little bit of headroom with the penthouse top down, but plenty of room in here with the top up. Let me show you these lights. We have a 2-port USB charger that they plug into. I ran the cable over to the corner closest to the head of the bed That's your remote sensor. I need to tuck that a little more. We ran it all the way around behind the cabinet. You can't see the front spot there, but the spot over the fridge has it over the front, all the way through the back. And of course, back to where I am. These draw next to no energy. I mean, it's very, very minimal. I don't know exact numbers, but I know it's very low. LED doesn't take a lot. Those clips are what are securing them. There is some adhesive, but the adhesive doesn't hold well to the fabric. These bar lights that had these old incandescents, they're going to be replaced one at a time. The one over the sliding door has already been replaced. This one is next, and then the two up in the top. I don't like the one that's over the door, the sliding door, because it's not dimmable. So it's either on or it's off, and it's really, really bright. I got some dimmables, and they've been sitting because the van's been in the shop for a long time. And so I didn't check them, but these things are way too big. I need to find something in between. I need dimmables that are about the size of those. So, and everywhere I put one of those fixtures, I'm going to put one of these USB outlets. I want USB pretty much everywhere in this van. So that's my lighting right now. I've got to finish up some cleanup. I did end up buying the clips. I had 3D printed some, but they just weren't strong enough. You'd run the screw from them and the layers had separated. They just pop apart. So that wasn't a great idea. I've got the heater in. It's not fully installed yet. The gas is installed, the pump's installed, all that. It's physically installed. I need to run the power and the thermostat. My magazine rack here is going to disappear. That's where my I/O panel for the electrical is going to go. And that cable for the refrigerator needs to get hidden. The cable for the thermostat is going to be hidden by it, and the cable for the electrical panel is going to be by it. When I say electrical panel, I have 3 12-volt outlets. One of them is going to be for my CPAP. Another one will be for running a charger on my laptop, and then one just as a spare, and then 3 2-port USB for charging all my devices. They'll have a dedicated fuse down in the fuse panel. So that's it. We're almost done there. I've got some crazy wind today. I don't know if you can see, but the van's being shaken around really good right now. So I'm going to hang it up. That's the video for now. We'll catch up with you shortly. I have some more updates that are coming in. My replacement for the Power Max converter charger is out for delivery today. They need the PM3-45 whatever model I got. Requires some adjustment for lithium iron phosphate. It's got an auto program, but that didn't work. And so we were just going to set it to the basically, charge or not, which is 14.5 volts per my battery's manufacturer. That doesn't give me any kind of float or maintenance. It's either charge or not. So that's fine. The whole point behind a shore power charger for me anyway is just to top the thing off, get it up to 100%, unplug, wrap it up, and go. Really to top things off if I forget, because you know how it goes. Anyway, I honestly don't expect that to see a ton of use. The DC to DC charging is working great. The solar is working great. I want all of the options available to me. So we've got that done. I've got the bed is in basically bench mode right now. I don't like using this thing as a bench. I really want to set this back out as a bed and then have the memory foam topper on. It's really comfortable that way. But yeah, so what I have left to do here is vacuum out the carpet, and I'm good to go here. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you.
Here by the river, I feel like I'm alive. Nature's heartbeat makes you remember why. Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No ties, no change, just the rolling clouds. Freedom tastes real sweet when you know